Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to pay your credit card bills using the Scotiabank application. So you can either use the website or the app in the phone. Anyway, if you're here right now, please log into your account. And since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved, I still don't have access to Scotiabank. However, I have a few visual aids for you to go through so you can follow the video, okay? I'm just pulled down right here very quickly. So as you can see right now, the very first landing page should be this one. I just want you to click your American card or the credit card that you want to use to, and then click on that one. Once you're there, you're gonna have to click on this option right here that says pay. After clicking that pay option, you're gonna see minimum payment and statement balance on the bottom part of your screen. They will pop up. You can either choose the minimum payment or just pay the full amount of statement balance. Next one, after clicking or choosing one of each, you'll arrive on this platform where you can just need to put the amount you want to pay and then simply slide to proceed or swipe to pay. Okay? After swiping this arrow right there, your transaction will be completed. And that's it. That's how you pay your American or rather credit card in the Scotiabank. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.